Okay, so in summary, let's talk about some of the noticeable trends. Students, faculty, and community are consistently using technology at home, school, and work. Students are relying mostly on their phones and tablets, while adults still are using the laptops and desktops, but neither quite as much as they used to. Older generations are definitely using those laptops and do not tend to do their work on phones as much. School faculty, they feel supported by their administration and adequately trained, and underrepresented students are possibly being overlooked. There needs to be some intentional plans put into place to support them in the traditional classroom. In the special ed classrooms, they are those needs are being addressed. Some surprises from the assessments: underrepresented students there continues to be a struggle to reach those students, and educators are searching for ways to meet the needs of these students while making technology a priority. Again, a lot of that has to do with the amount of time the regular classroom teachers are given and the amount of time that they have to explore and experiment with what technology can offer. There seems to be a gap in providing equitable access, primarily with those underrepresented students, special ed students, and students who do not have access to the internet at home. Some other takeaways were expected, such as the obsolete whiteboards, heavy use of smartphones, dependence on Chromebooks, the difficulty with finding ways to provide internet access while students are at home, and the need to provide professional development. All of those were not necessarily surprises, but things that need to be kept in mind. And then finally, some of my recommendations would be focus on the underrepresented staff and faculty. So that would be the faculty for special education and those encore classes, with some professional development to share how to implement technology in their classrooms, especially technology that reaches those underrepresented students. Address the gaps in providing technology opportunities to underrepresented students by researching successful solutions in other school districts, focusing on providing internet access at home. Continue to build support in the community for the school district by informing the public on innovative ways technology is being used in the classroom to empower student learning. I think that's really important, because if the community can know what is happening in the classroom and how technology is being used, it's a much easier sell, and you get a lot more support that way. And then continue to provide timely professional development that offers opportunities for faculty to experiment with implementation techniques. And finally, establish a strong technology plan and share the plan with everybody in the school district. So that wraps it up. If you have any questions, please let me know.